Hold paper, dalawa. Harap ka dito, nak, sa amin.
Ayaw na.
Wala pa man, wala ka pa mang birds. Ayun lang, maglapit lang yan si nak.
Kuya, gusto ka? Thank you. Picture to
Jadi awak ka. Wait tayo. Ito mo. Kita mo ito. Ako magbaba na dito. Uy, may restriction. Tara tayo na. Tayo na po. Pwede siya doon. Mahal, may playhouse. May laruan doon. Playground mo lang. Oo. Mahal, may lion doon, oh. Yung lion ay statue ata. Ah. Hello, cactus, oh. Kalaki-laki na, oh. No? Yan, oh, dito, oh. Diyan, oh, pasok tayo.
Ate, ang partner mo dati pa.
Julia, come here. Wala kayong picture, Mimi, eh. What? Lip, oh. Ang laki ng lip, oh. Oh.
Naghiwalay kayo.
Kaya nga. Kaya nga.
Kasi ang ginawa ko.
Picture, Mimi, B. Ay, Mimi, pa-picture tayo dyan kay Julia, oh. Julia. Azalea Roses Spring Garden.
Fish.
Yan, dikit ka kay Tomate. Picture, Mimi. Basta ka din na.
Fish. Shark. Shark. Fish.
May nalang na-fish ako. Oh.
Shark. Shark.
Wala. Picture, Tom. Picture sa shark. Mimi, kayo, babe?
Yung
Dikit ka
video
doon.
na picture yan.
Oo.
Wag lang. Kasi
Ayun
ano.
lang. Grabe, oh. Yan o, orchids o. Yan o. Sonahan. Yan pala yun, Melo. Nakita ko kanina. Doon tayo sa taas. Picture. Picture kayo dyan, be. Let's find the elephant and the ostrich. Hala, oh. Rose, ano? Rose grape. Okay naman.
Ay, sus, kay ginagaya niya si dada niya, oh.
Doon, madami yung doon. Try to get. Uy, okay. Alright.
Oh. Mimi, oh, daming fish, oh.
Oh no! So many fish! Oh no!
Lalim, no? Okay na, oh. Wala, nag-upo. Ha? Ito, nasaan yung snake?
O, tinanggal niya yung kanya.
Pulutin mo ate ha, yung socks niya. Nice.
Ate, mayroon na ang kapatid mo.
Patayo mo, Julia.
Saan tayo? Ah, harap tayo. Ah, dyan. Ah. Abutin mo si Julia, si Tom. Si Tom. Ah. Come here. Prepare na. Beware of poop nga. Hala, dami. Oh. 15 pesos sa tayo. May picture. Ayaw ka mo. Magpakain ka ng bird. Pakain ka? Sige na. Si Julia may gusto niya. 50? Hindi, meron yan. 50 yata yan. Ah, yan o.
Ay, wala akong cash dito.
Meron ako dito, no? Hold paper, dalawa. Harap ka dito, nak, sa amin.
Ayaw na.
Yan. Wala pa man, wala ka pa mang birds. Ayun lang, maglapit lang yan sa nak.
Kuya, gusto ka? Parang kidnap pa rin ganyan Sige na ako na kuya ka. Oh, di, buddy. Thank you. Picture ko yun. Yan, yan.
Okay.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to White Lion Safari. I'm your guide for this quick ride. For your safety po, please avoid stepping while the tram is still moving. Don't stick your fingers outside of the mesh. Just hold onto the grab bars. Also, please don't flash photography and selfie sticks during the tour.
Oh, ito mo.
So we have 3 lions today. They are great and raised in captivity from France. They have an area of 1.2 hectares where they can roam freely and exercise their natural behavior. Lions are all males, siblings, and 8 years old.
8 years old to mo. Wait, lion. Sleeping sila, Tom, oh. Tom, sleeping ang lion. Oh.
Alright, yes, you can now stand up for take pictures or videos.
Sleep sila, Tom, oh. Tom, sleep sila, Tom.
Yes, as you can see po, lions are nocturnal. They are more active at night, and during this daytime, they have poor vision and a sharp sense of smell. They can sleep, sit, and rest for about 16 to 20 hours a day. Especially they are carnivores, they eat different kind of meat. But here, they fed raw chicken or beef for about 5 to 8 kilos each lions per day.
Julia,
You
may
might be
lion.
also wondering why they call white lions, but they're
Giraffe, yun. Julia. Hi. Siguro magbalik tayo dun sa gidaanan natin na kanina. Balik na tayo na may giraffe, may camel, may white tiger. Yan o, may dumaan tayo dyan kanina eh. Ay, mahulog ang shoes mo. Kainin na yun ng lion. Ayun o, camel lang o. Iso na camel o. Oo. Oh, dito, Julia, baba, Julia. Careful. Diyan, baba natin. Careful lang, ate. Wait lang.
Red paper.
Yes, let's go, camel.
Red paper.
Yes.
Red paper. Red paper. Red paper. Let's see the camel. Ayun sila Tom, oh. Ayun, oh, camel.
Wala, camel, Tom, oh.
Camel. Sabi sa atin. Ay! Friend.
Your friend?
My friend. Hello, camel. Ambi yung fruits mo, Tombi. Dito lang kayo mawala yan. Lagay mo dito sa bag. Pwede picturean mo kami sa camel.
Julia, we can go here, oh. Tom. Julia.
Mamaya magtae dyan sa ano, sa ulo mo ba?
Ay no, may mag-picture man. Sige Julia. Uwi mo na yan.
Wala na.
Diretso lang ni Dre, no?
Ganda kay Ate Julia.
Julia. Ato pala sila, oh. Nako, ang dami, oh.
Parang meron pa sa head. $18 to 20 years.
Per hour, and they can jump up to 10 meters in length and 3 meters in height. So only male have horn, impala, and we have also here the Jack's buck or Aurex gazelle, a large antelope with white black marking on its face, and they have a long straight horn. They
Oh,
can
Tomo?
survive months or even a year without drinking water, as they can get almost
Tom, si Brad, mo. La. La. They're running, Tom, oh. They're running. Zebra. Bye-bye, zebra.
And we have also
Hindi,
here
oy.
the water fox, so a large antelope that is gray to reddish brown and called water repellent in defense mechanism towards predators, since they have also a stinky smell. And only male have horn.
Is that Tom, oh? Oh.
And we have also here the greater kudu, so a large antelope that is gray to reddish brown and or grayish brown in color with vertical lines on its back, and that cryptic color and marking protects kudus by camouflaging them. So they have a long, maleficent, and largest horn of all antelopes, and they become motionless when they feel danger and threatened. So only male have horn, greater kudu, and we have also here the eland, the world's second largest antelope that is light brown in color with white lines on its back, and they're the great jumpers despite of their huge size, since they can jump up to 10 feet from a standing start, and they can run up to 25 miles per hour. So both the female, they have a gray coat and black wings on its face, and they're considered as the flood of the savannah because of its unusual dance move to attract female during mating season. And we have also, or the highlights here in African savannah are the zebras. They are black skin with white stripe, and they can use their stripe to camouflage and confuse and dazzle predators. There are no two zebras with the same stripes or patterns like our fingerprints, and closely related to horses and donkeys. So they fighting off predators by kicking and biting, and they can sleep while standing. So we have here our two baby zebras, the 4 months and the 3 months old baby.
Nagalapit sila. Daddy, naka-ready yung mouth
Oh.
dito. Oh, mayroon din.
Ayan, oh, naka-ready na ang mouth.
Just help me.
Oh, sige, you use the tongue.
Hawa.
Alo, akala ko ikaw maghulog.
Hindi, you will help me. Ako tsaka ikaw.
Ah,
Dito sa space daw palang
sige.
Isa
Sige,
lang to.
isa lang. Sige, ihulog na. This will take a video.
Ito oh.
Oh,
Hala ko. Hala, nauna na siya.
oh.
Eat. Wow, sarap na ulam.
Tumo, nag-eat siya, oh. Oh,
Sus.
lo.
Ulo, kawawa naman. Tulong nakakain. Share your food tayo. Share your food ko daw.
Oh no, hello turtle. Hello, hello. Hello turtle. Hello turtle.
How are you? It's a beautiful day. Hala, it's coming. Oh no.
Oh, it's moving, Julia. It's moving, oh.
Oh,
Julia, Julia.
mag-drink siya ng water.
Julia, it's moving. Dali.
Oh, butterfly. Oh my, nag-selfie siya. Yan. Uy, nagbasa si ate.
Ninja Turtles, oh.
Oh my god, so how old are that one? The biggest one?
Ay, mang, gilid, mang. May sasakyan, mang. Julia, gilid na, Julia. Saan?
Oh, baka malumpat man.
Ka-move siya? Saan? Ay, it's not tiger.
That's cheetah.
You see the cheetah, Tom?
Zebra.
Zero.
Uy! It's a cat, di ba?
Oh, Tom! Why ito, Daddy? Wala ko!
Galit, Julia, oh.
Ayaw ko magpahawak ng nose lagi. Bakit kayo?
Julia, oh.
Ito mo, nagalit siya kay ate. Tom, tingnan mo. Oh,
Galit
nagalit siya.
siya.
Ano ka, Tom, Tom?
Oh.
Do not tap the glass, Mimi. Do not tap the glass.
No, Tom, wala.
Checkboard.
Hawakan, hawakan. Julia, magalit yan, Julia.
Siya na isa?
100 gusto niya. What is that, Tom? Uy, picture good. Ganito, Daddy. Oh.
Na lang, ako lang i-zoom. Try na itong picture. Sige.
Magsunod.
Aray na siya, oh. Aray na siya. Wala, aray na siya.
Daddy, pasta.
Aray na.
Tanad siya.
Malapit pa lang giraffe.
Julia.
Na Julia ba?
Hoy, Julia.
Julia, baka ka...
Kainin yung buhok mo, hindi ay magkaon ng bata ba?
Oo, nandiyan na.
Ari, Julia, oh.
Harap ka dito, Ate Beck. Kunin kita.
Halap ka, kunain ka picture. Igutom mo, oh. Hala,
Oo, ulo mo.
hala.
Wala, black yung tang nila, ma.
Ala, hindi mo maabot.
I'll help you. Black yung tang nila.
Hala, Julia, nakita ang buhok mo. Si Tom, si Tom.
Hello!
Wala, meron pa naman.
Julia, Julia, Julia. Okay guys, ito yung giraffe dito sa Cebu Safari. Yan. Close up.
Mo pa stretch.
Stretch.
Ayun na, pagod.
Akin siya na.
Wala, mag-alakaw na siya. Nang luod, mandayon. Uy, may next sila, oh.
Ah, may mga ano.
Dagan man kagdahon dito, diri pa manggod ka, oh.
Oh, diba? Dito na lang pa, mas lapit pa.
Wala, to na sila, apat sila.
Hindi na lang po pagkaon.
Oh, ganyan.
Ganyan, hindi ka pa mahirapan. Yan na lang.
Jaguar pa?
Ay, pero wala man siya na unsa
Hmm? Iya ganun gina-testing kung may kuryente kung wala ang naog sila. So, pwede mo sila makakuha, no?
Girl, yun di. Mas dito ang bambang. Mas maliit.
Yes, Tom.
Tungin. Oh, dalawa pala to.
Yan, ito.
Di, dalawa sila, di.
White tiger. Magbaba yan dito, mahal ang isa.
Tiger.
Ikot-ikot.
Bye-bye, tiger.
Ihi siya. Uy, grabe ba siya mag-ihi.
Tiger?
Yeah, parang ano.
White tiger, oh, Julia. You want to have a picture, ate?
My man is there.
Ano, pag
Impala na po na ingon nito.
Guys,
Javan deer.
and lifespan 15 to 20 years.